Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Fallbrook local and long-distance movers near me. If you're wanting to take the stress out of your move, our qualified movers help make your long-distance move more convenient. Whether you're moving a single state over or you need to move across the country, we're here to help you. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make relocating a lot simpler. We handle all the required moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It may not be very easy to rationalize the expense of hiring a California moving company. However, when you start to notice the benefits, the cost seems to be well worth it. A good moving company is going to enable you to preserve time, regardless of how far you're relocating. Movers can also assure you don't need to handle any of the heavy lifting. Our team of expert movers will ensure your move is quite efficient. When moving with a local company such as 3 Movers, you get a structured solution for moving day. Moving locally can be very fast, and our team can handle even a large move in just a single afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fallbrook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.